Jamon?
Kaya na kumulukad
Wah.
padungdad to.
Kaya daw niya ba daw? Kaya daw niya kanabi.
Gida. Bebe.
Grabe.
Ano ba? Kalabang ba? Bebe.
Bebe pa si.
Way duha-duha ha. Way duha-duha. Ge.
Ge, kaya na nimo.
Kaya no.
Ge.
Ge.
Pasikati ang fairy.
Ge.
She was a
Once upon a time, in a kingdom far, far away, there was a girl who wished to become a fairy, but suddenly she became a dragonfly. So when she jumped, she falls to the ground and bump her head. Bogo ka. Kaya pa daw niya daw! I can fly niya, wasin lupad, dire pa sa tunga-tunga nilayat na. 3 points.
sama ka diro.
Di ba naman kay Wings?
Kaya di. Kaya na.
Brought you by. Kaya.
Ge.
Ako yung good. Brought you by Pampers with Wing.
Oh!
Balik.
Ay, yaw.
Hindi na. Dire daw, try daw dire. Ambak.
Yung realization ba? Read.
No Man's an Island.
Kaya na niya eh.
Kaya.
Kaya lagi na, kaya na eh.
Ah.